Yo, Carlo here. So we're headed to Greenhills. There is a toy shop launch of our good friend. Shout out kay Kurt and Janelle. Congratulations, Collector Quest. We'll head over there. But before that, quick thing. Sneaker of the day, Off-White Out of Office. One of my favorite leather sneakers. Super comfortable, classic, timeless, easy to wear. And then, quick note. There was this comment that came out on my previous episode where I talked about On sneakers. So if you guys haven't seen that yet, link down below, make sure to check it out. And the comment was so interesting. It said that the On sneakers are the new Ultra Boosts, like in 2016. And I cannot agree enough because if you think about it, Ultra Boosts back then were overpriced, really hard to get, and they were reselling for a ridiculous amount of cash. Yes, we still have our Christmas tree. I know it's January. We'll take it down in a few days or maybe in a few weeks. But anyway, and I think that's exactly what's happening right now with On. In the same way that you saw Dunks and Vomeros go up in price, even Veja sneakers for some time, it's just really the current thing. It's the new shiny shimmering sneaker that people just want, and therefore the prices are going up. Kind of like, well, if you think about it, even Labubus, right? They were so expensive. Now the prices are really down. In fact, if you remember, the big Labubus used to sell for like almost $500 or 25,000 pesos here in the Philippines. Now you can buy them for, I don't know how much, like 12, 13,000, super close to retail. And that brings me back to the On sneakers. If you guys want to buy one now, you will pay a premium. But if you have the patience to wait, if you can just chill a bit and wait for the hype to fade, and you really, really want a shoe, that would be the best time to buy. Because what would happen is the price would normalize, they would go down, they'll go on sale in other countries, and you can get your hands on them at a much, much lower price. Kind of like Ultra Boosts, Vomeros, and Dunks. So yeah, that's the lesson of the day. Let's go to the toy store. When rules are optional, no waiting, no parking. Parking! Napadaan lang tayo sa display ng M-Toys. Tignan nyo naman yung napaka-cute na Paddington Bear na to. What? So we're walking toward Shopsville, and I just happened to pass by a sneaker shop who's a good friend of ours, Got Goods. I don't know if you guys remember, we were starting out the vlog. One of the videos that really went crazy in terms of views was yung secret shop in Greenhills, and sila yun, when they were still over there. So now they have a much bigger branch. Shout out to Jeff, Got Goods team. Napakadami naman. O, di tayo sa aftermarket. Ang dami, oh. Lord.
Sa all white natin, basta cloud cake na 9 po. Ano na lang, pang babies. 6 sa 9.5.
Yan na lang natitira? Sad.
Nung dumating kasi mo, naka-reserve na din agad, boss eh.
Lakas ng benta, no?
Oo, boss. On cloud talaga ngayon, boss.
More than any other brand.
Oo, boss.
Putik, ang ganda nito, ah. Wala ba to size ko?
Ano, one size na lang yan, boss.
Oo nga, eh. 10? 10.5. Sayang, ganda. Ano to, 990? Tama, 990.
990.
Ah, ano siya? Collab. Oh guys, ang ating dream duffel bag dito tayo sa aftermarket. Supreme LV. So we just came back from the store launch. So shout out again to Kurt and Janelle. Ended up buying these two Vegeta figures. They're from Bandai. They're really nice. I'm a huge fan of Vegeta. So quick note, if your friends launch a business, the best thing that you can do is number 1, to buy and not ask for a discount. Number 2, to share it on social. And number 3, if you have feedback, give it to them constructively and directly. Don't like bash them on social. That's not the best thing to do, right? Anyway, apart from this, again, shout out to Collector's Quest, Janelle and Kurt. One more thing. So as you guys saw, while I was going around, I dropped by Aftermarket, and there were a lot of on sneakers. And I was talking to some of the salespeople there, and they told me that it really is the biggest and fastest selling and most in demand sneaker brand that they have today. And not surprised. And I also dropped by, what was the name of the store? Nice, Be Nice. And they had like several sizes of the Loewe Cloud Ion collaboration. It's a good thing that they didn't have it in my size, or else I probably would be walking home with one of them, because the black and white one looked really good. Like, super nice. But it was kind of, I think it was like over 40,000 pesos, because it is a collaboration with the luxury brand. But anyway, yeah, so that's pretty much what I just wanted to share with you guys today. It's a pretty chill episode. I hope you're all doing fine. Again, make sure to check out Collector's Quest in Greenhills, and let me know what you guys think of On Sneakers in the comment section down below. It's Carlo signing out. Peace.